Sinag, Maynila and with the esteemed lineup ng mga entries at artists. Sir Perry.
Sobrang nakakagalak lang dahil nakakakita kami ng mga Mindanao filmmakers na nandito. So, meaning, nagpapasalamat ko kay Direk Dante dahil ini-embrace niya yung mga regional filmmakers. So yun yung isa sa mga sa pasalamat ko kay Direk Dante, kay Nalabugs, kay Sir Mr. Chen, di ba? I mean, sobrang nakakatuwa lang na uy, kasali kayo. Inclusivity na ba? Hindi lang yung concentrate sa mga Manila filmmakers.
Correct.
Yeah, ito nga po lang, Sir Perry. So, I think it is very important for us to have a platform. Kasi parang hindi naman kasi, I mean, we have less opportunity to showcase our work, to tell our story, to tell it our own way, far from the constraints of the studios. No? So, I mean, the big studios in Manila. So parang every time we have this opportunity, parang we really cherish it, and we really hope na we could, inspire the next generation of filmmakers in our hometowns, especially in Mindanao.
Saan po kayo sa Mindanao?
Actually, this work is a product of the collaboration of filmmakers from different parts of Mindanao. I'm from the northern part of Mindanao, from Ozami City.
Ozami.
Sa Davao de Oro. Si Teng naman is
From Jensen, but originally from Maguindano. And then our sound is RV Barbarona, who also made a Sinag Maynila film. The last Sinag Maynila, before it's hiatus.
Grabe
Highest Peak,
yun.
was titled The Highest Peak.
And
And then Bagane Fiola, the cinematographer from
Davao City.
Davao City.
Correct.
So this is really a product of our collaboration as Mindanao
And
filmmakers.
Dolly De Leon and
Yes.
Timmy Alejandrino from Manila.